Make a great choice today with the 2021 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.